and welcome to our booth for frequency converters in the higher power range. I'm pleased to present you today the novelties and highlights around our SINAMICS S120 Chassis-2 and Cabinet Modules 2. And I have something new for you right away. Our latest innovation, OEM kits for easy and simple installation of our Chassis-2 devices. They are perfect for mounting in your control cabinets. Here you can see the SINAMICS S120 Cabinet Modules 2. With these, you will always make the right decision if you are looking for a ready-to-connect, type-tested, manufactured according to the highest quality standards and still easy-to-order cabinet system made in Nuremberg. Cabinet modules are modular cabinet systems for multi-motor drives. They have a central main supply in a common DC busbar. In combination with our SIMOTICS motors, they provide a powerful and efficient drive system. They impressively demonstrated their merits in our last reference, the modernization of the sugar factory located in Jülich in Germany's Rhineland. There, the centrifugal station with a total of 8 sugar centrifugal was modernized. The customer had precise requirements: reduction of energy consumption, high throughput, and reduction of maintenance and servicing times. The sugar centrifuge application places high demands on the drive system. After analyzing the load and torque curves, robust, powerful, and compact SIMOTICS SD motors were selected. They are ideally suited for the severe ambient conditions in the centrifuge station. Our Chassis-2s are equipped with powerful IGBTs and reliable capacitors. Thus, they guarantee the highest reliability, availability, and efficiency even in this demanding application. Our OEM kits are new in the program and available now. Let me introduce them to you in more detail. Chassis in the higher power range place high demands on installation, simply because of their weight when it comes to mounting them in a control cabinet. To better support you in this, we have developed the OEM kits. They are available for the new Rittal VX25 cabinet system. You can select the kits using a simple tool that outputs all order numbers. Detailed instructions support the easy installation with a step-by-step description. What different OEM kits do we have? The DC busbar kits provide the DC link connection between the individual cabinet modules, making it simple and straightforward to connect the individual cabinet modules. The busbar fuse kits are the second OEM kit version. This kit includes everything needed to mechanically connect the SINAMICS S120 Chassis-2 units to the DC busbar. And thirdly, other OEM kits are available. For example, for the degree of protection increase, for easy connection of the motor cables and power supply cables, and the mechanical installation kit. All kits have been tested for high quality, and all of them enable optimum air guidance and are easy to install. Optimally matched to our SINAMICS S120 Chassis-2, they stand for safety you can rely on. Have I caught your interest? For our cabinet modules too? For our Chassis-2 or our new OEM kits? If so, please make an appointment with one of our experts. We are really looking forward to your further interest.